Here, mate.
How do we get up there?
Up the steps.
Where are they?
Here.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where's the box?
You put them out. You have to make sure it's not damaged.
Are you sure?
Yeah, definitely. How are we going to know if it's bad enough?
Mate, I'm joking. Jesus. I know you got some funny buggers, don't you? Yeah, press the trace button, mate. Come straight up. Yeah, you thought I was being serious then, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, some people are, you know.
No, I know, you get ready for it, don't you?
Some people try to fight me. But Curry's tell us we have to, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come.
Tell by your face.
Have you got space?
Yeah, it's ready to go straight in, mate, yeah.
You got one for us as already?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Careful guys, no scratches on it. No scratches.
No, we're professional.
Careful.
Professional here. Ready?
Oh yeah, that was really nice with that.
Yeah. Okay. Right, yeah.
What will you do with that one there then?
There's
Dump
no
it in
pit,
the
you
field
know.
somewhere.
No. This is where Curry's get the money. You know Curry's, yeah? So what they do
That's some farmer's field, right?
you see the box? You see the box that I took?
Hey?
The box that you said, where they
That was
put
in
it?
your truck, is
So
it?
what they do, they sell all of that. Just imagine, there's 100 trucks on the road today, and all of them are coming back home with all of this stuff. So all of it gets packed in and compressor packed it up, and then they sell it. They make millions from the recycling in it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right,
mate, have a
okay,
nice
guys.
day, sir.
Yeah, thank you for that. See you later. Put you downstairs. See you later.